Now, next method of preparation of indole, third number, that is Madelung indole synthesis. Next method, Madelung indole synthesis. Okay. Now, in this synthesis, there is a condensation, self condensation between this orthomethyl acetanilide. Okay. Orthomethyl acetanilide, it is an aromatic amide. It self condense in the presence of this NaNH2 sodamide and strong base sodium ethoxide. It converted into the derivative of indole. It is called as the 2-methyl indole. Okay. Now look at the structure. Orthomethyl acetanilide. This is para position acetanilide group is present, phenyl, and this is the first position acetanilide group is present. On the ortho position there is a presence of the methyl group, so it is orthomethyl acetanilide. Orthomethyl acetanilide. When reacted soda amide in the presence of the strong base, that is the sodium ethoxide, it converted into 2-methyl indole. Okay. So first of all there is a removal of two hydrogens from this methyl group and this oxygen. They will combine to each other and removal of water molecule takes place. Okay. Now this carbon is electron deficient and this carbon is electron rich. Now it will be attack on electron deficient carbon, and the cyclic structure form, it is called as the 2-methyl indole. Okay. This is the reaction Madelung indole synthesis. This is about the reaction. Now let's see the mechanism. Now the mechanism of Madelung indole synthesis. Okay. Now in this mechanism there is a reaction between orthomethyl acetanilide and soda amide. Reaction between orthomethyl acetanilide and soda amide takes place. That after that there is a removal of ammonia. Okay. So first of all look at the orthomethyl acetanilide structure. In that there is a CH3 group is attached on the benzene ring on the ortho position on the ortho position of the phenyl ring. Another structure, that is sodium amide, sodium positive charge and amino group negative charge. It is takes place into the molecules of the soda amide. Okay. Now this NH2 negative, it will be acts as nucleophile and it will be abstract the proton from the orthomethyl group from the phenyl ring. So it will be abstract one proton towards itself. So there is a removal of ammonia. NH2 become NH3. Now this proton from the CH3 group give lone pair of electron toward the carbon atom. So this carbon is electron rich. Now we get this kind of structure. Okay. In that there is a presence of this methyl group. There is a presence of the negative charge. So it becomes carbene. Now in this structure also presence of the carbon oxygen double bond. So this pi bond break, lone pair of electron shifted more electronegative oxygen. This oxygen bears negative charge, carbon bears positive charge. Now this carbene, it will be attack on this electron deficient carbon atom. Electron negative carbene attack on electron deficient carbonyl carbon. Okay. Now this oxygen will abstract the hydrogen atom from the ammonia. This ammonia it is generated into step number 3. From that it will take hydrogen from that. Okay. So this oxygen becomes OH. Now also this remaining NH2 negative, it again abstract toward the sodium into the step number 1, which is remaining into the solution. So it becomes again NaNH2 sodium soda amide or sodium amide. So we get this cyclic structure. Okay. So there is a cyclization takes place between this carbon and this carbonyl carbon atom. Okay. Now in this next step there is a dehydration, means this hydrogen from this carbon and this OH group from this carbon, they will remove as water molecules. The remaining structure will condense to each other. This carbon takes lone pair of electron of this carbon. This OH group takes lone pair of electron this carbon atom. So there is a formation of double bond between negative and positive carbon atom. In this way we get 2-methyl indole. Okay. So this is the method of preparation, that is the Madelung indole synthesis. Now the next method of preparation of indole, let's see. Now the next method of preparation of indole, it is resert indole synthesis. Next is resert indole synthesis. Now this method of preparation, the resert indole synthesis, basically involves the base catalyst intramolecular cyclization reactions between phenyl pyruvic acid, which is formed here, that is the phenyl pyruvic acid, and there is a condensation between the whole reaction, condensation between the whole structure. Okay, and finally the product, it is called as the indole. Okay, now first of all, there is a ortho nitrotoluene and diethyl oxalate. There is a condensation between them in the presence of strong base, that is sodium ethoxide. After that, we get the pyruvic ester. This is the pyruvic ester. After the reductions with zinc as well as the acetic acid, and we get the amino esters of this phenyl pyruvate. After that, there is a cyclic dehydration takes place, and finally we get the 2-carbo ethoxyindole, and finally after the hydrolysis it gives the indole. Okay, this is called as the resert indole synthesis. Now let's see about the reaction. Now first of all, we have the ortho nitrotoluene. Now here nitro group on the ortho position, it is called as the ortho nitrotoluene, because CH3 group, this is CH3 group here, not CH2. Okay, CH3 group is present on the phenyl ring, it is the toluene, and nitro group on the ortho position, so it is called the ortho nitrotoluene. When reacted with the diethyl oxalate, it is the diethyl oxalate. Diethyl means this is the ethyl group and this is ethyl group. To ethyl group, it is the diethyl, and C double O negative, C double O negative, this whole structure it is called as the oxalate. So it is called as the diethyl oxalate. Okay, so it is the ester of oxalic acid. Okay, when they will react to each other, and there is a removal of one ethanol molecules in the presence of the strong base, that is the sodium ethoxide, is converted into the next structure, that is the ortho nitro ethyl 3-phenyl pyruvate. Okay, first of all, look at this structure. First of all, here this one ethoxy group will remove, and it takes one hydrogen from this methyl group. Okay, it will be abstracted and removed as one ethanol molecule, CH2H5OH. Now this carbon will electron deficient after the taking lone pair of electron from ethoxy group, so this carbon will acquire positive charge. Now this methyl group, after the removal of hydrogen, takes lone pair of electron towards itself and having negative charge, so it will be attack on electron deficient carbon atom. There is a condensation between them. Okay, so we get this condensed structure. The name of this condensed structure, it is ortho nitroethyl 3-phenyl pyruvate. Okay, so this structure, it is the pyruvate. This is the structure, it is pyruvate. Okay, now ortho position, there is a presence of the ortho nitro, and this is ethyl. After that, 1 2 3, third number position carbon attachment of phenyl group, so it is 3-phenyl, means ortho nitro ethyl 3-phenyl pyruvate, means ortho nitro ethyl 1 2 3 phenyl pyruvate. Okay, we get this nitro group. Now this nitro group, it is reduced by the reducing agents, that is the zinc in the presence of the acetic acid, that is removal of 2 oxygens and addition of 2 hydrogen takes place on the nitro group. Nitro group contains the 2 oxygens. 2 oxygens will be removed and 2 hydrogens will be added on the nitro groups. So this nitro group becomes amino group. So then like this nitro group becomes amino group, NH2. Okay, so this is called as the ortho amino ethyl 3-phenyl pyruvate. This structure after that condense. Now this carbon oxygen double bond break, lone pair of electron shifted on oxygen. Okay, this carbonyl carbon electron deficient, nitrogen having the nitrogen amino group having the nitrogen contains the 2 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen shifted towards the electron rich oxygen, so this O become OH. Now this nitrogen will take lone pair of electron from this hydrogen So it attack this, the nitrogen will attack on the electron deficient carbon atom. So there is a condensation between them, and there is a removal of water molecules. Also we can say there is only condensation takes place. Okay, like this. Not OH group here, H2O group here. Okay, means one nitrogen hydrogen from this amino group will be abstracted toward the oxygen negative, so it becomes OH like this, and nitrogen will attack on electron deficient carbonyl carbon, so we get the cyclic structure. That is, look at this structure, nitrogen attached to carbon, and this O become OH, and NH2 become NH. Okay, we get this cyclic structure. Now after that there is a cyclic dehydration takes place, means this hydrogen and this OH group, they will remove as water molecules, and we get the final structure, that is the 2-carb ethoxy indole. It is the 2-carb ethoxy indole. That is, this hydrogen give lone pair of electron toward this carbon, this oxygen takes lone pair of electron from this carbon. This carbon is electron deficient and this is electron rich carbon, so there is a formation of double bond between them. So formation of double bond between them. Okay, so we get the cyclic structure. It is called the 2-carb ethoxy indole. Second number position, there is the presence of this ester. It is called as the 2-carb ethoxy, means this CO2, it is called as the carb, and this OC2H5, it is called as the ethoxy. 2-carb ethoxy indole. Okay, now after that there is a hydrolysis in the presence of H2O. The H2O molecule which is removed, it is used for the hydrolysis. Okay, that is H positive ion, OH negative ions will be removed, and they will attack on this 2-carb ethoxy indole. In that, the carbon dioxide molecules, it will be removed first of all, and the remaining C2H5, it will be attracted towards OH negative ions. So it becomes C2H5OH means ethanol, and removal of this carbon dioxide molecules. Okay. Now the hydrogen which is remaining from the water, it will be attached toward the second number position carbon of the indole ring. So in this way we get the indole. Okay. This is about the method of preparation, that is the result indole synthesis. Now this is the completion of the part, that is the method for preparation of indole.